Hey guys, I have to go out of town today and I'm stopping at a few restores. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of cool. There's a Bayport. Another Hunter. This is a G-Event Emerson, which I didn't know was a thing. G-Event 5-blade Emerson. Another Hunter. Cheap Huggers. I think that's an Encon. I think that's an Encon. Craft Made. Design House. Minerva. I'm gonna ask him and see if there's anything in back. But if not, that looks like what's here.